When doing overhead welding, clamp the electrode straight into the holder so that it's lined up with your wrist. Stand so that the end of the electrode can reach the starting point of the weld. Move the electrode toward you as you weld. The welding current should be 140 amps. Initiate the arc at the edge of the backing metal. When the arc has stabilized, move it into the groove. The bead might drip if the arc is too long or the welding is too slow. For the first layer, keep the arc short. Melt both groove roots in the backing metal thoroughly as you lay the bead. Weave the electrode slightly and make sure that your elbow remains bent as the electrode is used up. If the angle of the electrode to the workpiece is uneven, then the bead surface might become slanted. For the second and later layers, do weaving along the entire width of the weld. Pause the electrode at each end of the weave so that the metal will melt thoroughly into the groove face and the first layer bead. The third layer is the final layer. To prevent undercuts, hold the electrode at an angle of less than 90 degrees to the base plate and limit the weaving to the width of the groove. The spreading of the weld pool when you pause on each side will create a sufficient weld reinforcement.